Hello and welcome to Knast FX Market Review. In this video, we are going to analyze EURUSD, GBPUSD, and Eurocad. I want you to watch this video carefully and follow the analysis. And if you gleaned any knowledge, if you learned something from these analysis that I'm about to present, kindly subscribe to this channel, press the bell notification, like the video so that the algorithm will be made available to other people to also benefit from it. Your comments are also welcome. Also, in the description of this video, I have a link to our free Telegram channel where we give chart analysis to help you in your trading. So sit down and enjoy the analysis. On our screen now is the chart of EURUSD, and we are on the weekly chart. This week has been very bearish for EURUSD. We've sold massively, and that is awesome. And let's see. So on the weekly chart, as I do always, we look at the weekly trend, the weekly market structure. And for the past, how many weeks now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've been on a massive downward trend. But we formed a new low on the weekly. So if you have followed me, you know how I do it. If you have watched any of my videos, yeah, so this is our lower high. I always want to be sure I get it right. So yeah, so this is it. And then we will have our lower low, sorry. Yeah. So I want to label it as I do always. So this is lower high. I want to be sure I see it only on the weekly chart. And this is lower low. So we are done here. We'll quickly go to the daily to also find the daily has also made a new low. So this is a lower high. Just want to be sure I see it only on the daily chart. And this is the new lower low. Let's label it. This labeling helps me to remember the direction of the market. That's all. That's also. I always want to be sure it's visible only on that chart time frame. Yeah. So we have the lower low. And that's that we come to the 4 hours. We've also made a new low on the 4 hours. It's like the market is just dropping. So this is a lower high. I want to be sure I see it only on the 4 hours. And this is the lower low. Yeah. So we've established the fact that this market is very bearish. This market is this market is very bearish. So next week, all that we'll be looking for is sell opportunities. I trade with a trend, so I do not really take counter trend trades. So those who do that can also find some buying opportunities. But what I want to say is that the buying opportunities will be short-lived because the main direction is downward. So After I found the direction, I trade from daily levels. So I'll come here and find the daily levels. So this is the first level that I find on the daily. Yeah. This is a key level. I want to see that level has been respected in the past. And yeah, it has been respected. It has been respected. We can as well modify it a little on the 4-hour. We can as well modify it a little on the 4-hour here. So I think here is better. There's a 4-hour level here, which I think is okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. So that's one level. And oh, yeah, so let's come to the 4 hours and see. Let's come to the 4 hours and see. I was actually looking at the daily. Pardon me. So okay. Let me see. Let me see. I think yes, but I'm not really comfortable with this level. So let's see if I could find another level. Okay, so there is this level also here. Which is also another key level. Which is also another key level here. So let's go into the past and see. Okay, so this is respected here once, twice. This is the third, fourth time. So let's come to the 4 hours and see how perfect. Market has reacted to this level very well on the 4 hours. Look at it, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, although it broke through and back, it really 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So I think I will opt for this. That doesn't mean that I will not consider the first level. I'll wait for price to get there and then I will see. So for me, this is an awesome level for me. This level for me is great. This level for me is awesome. Yeah. This level for me is awesome. So what will I do? I'll be waiting for price to pull back in here and then I'll sell. Until then, I won't do nothing on this chart. I won't do nothing. So that is that. That is that with Euro USD. Let's see the week. Okay. I think it's a pretty strong level, but let me check the first level on the 1 hour and see. Okay. I will leave it like this. I'll actually consider level. If price does not come there, then I'm not interested in this. Let's look at Euro USD. Yeah, this trend is very strong. This trend is very strong. So on the weekly, we formed a new low. So these are lower low. And these will be our lower high. Others will pick this as their lower high, but for me, this is a weekly chart. So that will be my lower high. Let's label it. Lower high. And this is lower low. Okay, so let's come to the daily. The daily too has found a new low. So this is my lower high. It's very bearish. And this is my lower low. Also, let's label it. I did not do the summary on the other one. When we are done, we'll go back to do it. So this is lower high. Let's be sure. Okay, we see it only on the weekly. And this is a lower low. Lower low. So that's that. Let's come to the 4 hours. This is also very bearish. So these are lower high. And this will be our lower low. So we are done here. We are done here. So this is lower high. Let's be sure we see it only on the 4-hour chart or on the hourly chart. And this will be our lower low. Lower low. Okay. So now we will do our summary. Our summary goes like this. Weekly, we are bearish. Daily, we are bearish. And 4 hours, we are bearish. Yeah. And I want to see these on all the time frame. I want to see all these on the time. So when we are done, we're now coming to look at where can we sell from? Where can we sell from? Where can we sell from? And we take our horizontal line too. And yeah, for me, these are perfect area level. Yeah. See how price has respected it even on the daily. So this one is cleaner. So compared to the Euro USD, I would rather prefer trading these than Euro USD. I would rather prefer trading these than Euro USD. Yeah, so it has been respected very wonderfully. Look at 1, 2, 3. Respected very wonderfully. So I'll just pick my tool here. Because I use key levels, I always want my zone to be from the key level up. That is if it's bearish. Yeah. So that is that. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting price movement up here and down. That's it. That's it. Those that do Fibonacci will tell you that this, let me turn this. So I'm expecting price to pull back to this zone and then pardon me, I'm expecting a pullback here and then oh, why is this not responding? So I'm just expecting price to pull back here. Why is the path to not responding? Then continue with a downward. So that is what I'm expecting. Let's see. If you're going to use the fib, let's see. Voila. Which level is that? Let me see. Let me see. Kindly pardon me. Let me draw the fib well. So if I'm going to use the fib, that's how it's this is how it's going to be from here to the lowest point. Yeah. And let's see which level that is. Yeah, it's exactly at the 50% pullback level. So that is that. But I usually do not use fib. So let's just take our mind. So this is it. I'll be looking for a pullback into this zone and then a drop. Now let's look at our final chart. That is Eurocad. That is Eurocad. And then let's see. Okay. We are bearish on the weekly. Wow. We are bearish here. We are bearish here. Somebody may be asking, why not put the line, the lower high level here? No, we consider the closing prices. If you go to the line chart, you see that this is the closing price. So we consider the closing price, not the opening price. So see, perfect, it aligns. That's why it's here and not there. These are broker gaps and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's it. So that's the lower high. And this will be the lower low, lower low. It's not here. It's not here, but here, because we consider the closing price. When you go to the line chart, you see that it aligns perfectly. Okay, so that's the weekly. We are bearish, so lower high, and lower low, lower low. We come to the daily. I've also formed a new low. And so this is the this is the lower high. This is the lower high. Just be sure you find it only on the daily chart. And this is a new lower low because we've broken this low. Yeah. So the trend on the daily is bearish. The trend on the weekly is bearish. And with just these two time frames aligning, we know that we are only going to be looking to sell this market. We are only going to, and the daily, the 4-hour has also formed a new low. So these, and we have this. So that is that. So all the major time frames, lower high, all of them are pointing downward. So hey, we're going to be looking for sales. And this is that's awesome. So let's do our labeling, our summary. Weekly, bearish. Daily, bearish, and 4 hours is also bearish. So we want to make sure we see it on all the time frames, so that in whatever time frame we are looking at the chart, we will know. So for this, where are we likely going to sell from? This is a key level. This is a key level. So price can just tap into this and sell. So that's one level. And this is another level. And this is another level. So these are the two levels that we can consider. With this price has already tapped into it. So, but all the same, we can give it a thought. We can monitor that. So let's tweak it a little and see if there is another fresh level. The closest fresh level is this place. on the 4-hour is displayed. So for me, I'm going to consider that place as the first area of interest. I will not draw the second area of interest because I do not like to have a lot of things on my chart. If we don't get an entry here and price breaks through, then we will consider the second level. So as it starts now, we'll be expecting that price will pull back into this zone. And then from there we'll continue with our sell. We'll continue with this. So that is that. I think this is going to be on top of my watch list. This is going to be on top of my watch list. Let me check the daily and see. Okay. Let me check the daily and see. Okay. Okay, so it also coincides with the daily gap or open and close level. So that is okay. Thank you so much for making time to watch this video. Please, if you have found value in this video and you'd like to see more of such content, kindly subscribe to the channel, press the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload content like this, you'll be notified. And also like the video for me. Thank you so much. Until I come your way with another video, may the market favor us.